Hello everyone, welcome back to our programming series. In today, we're going to solve SkillRack daily challenge. That is, convert the following C code to Python. In the first line n equals int, input, we're taking an integer input from the user. Then, in the second line number equals 0 plus str, n, we convert the input integer n to a string using str, n, and concatenate it with 0. This forms a new string number where 0 is added at the beginning. Next, n equals int, number, 1, 8, is where the magic happens. We take the substring of number starting from the second character onwards, number, 1, and convert it back to an integer using int. The 8 part specifies that we interpret this substring as an octal value. Python's int function allows us to convert strings into integers using different bases, and here we're using base 8 for octal representation. Finally, print n displays the resulting integer, which has been interpreted from the octal representation of the substring obtained from the second character onwards in number. So, this code effectively takes an input integer, appends 0 to it, converts the resulting string to an octal integer by considering the string after 0, and prints the final value. Hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more programming challenges and solutions. Thanks for watching.